Hello. Hey, hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everybody. Welcome back to the next session of SAP ABAP on HANA training. Thank you for choosing JK tutorials. So, in the previous sessions, we have seen about the inline declaration, new syntax of SAP ABAP on HANA. So, today we will see one more powerful syntax, which came up, which is string expression. Okay, so today we will see what are the uses, how is this happen, okay? What are string expressions? Okay, so this is a new syntax and also it's a very powerful feature. It will create. Why do we use this? We will use it. It will create avoiding using concatenate. Okay, we use concatenate. Okay, so it will replace this. So without wasting time, let's go back to our Eclipse. Let me share you. Eclipse. Okay. Hope everyone has used this concatenate concept. So before that, let me create one program, new web program. I'll give the name as the string session, the projects. Okay. Connect. Next. Okay. So program is created. So for me as a developer, it was a huge problem to print the single quote. We have to use like single commas everywhere. Okay. So in case of readability, let me first write something. Okay. Second. Okay. So let me declare one variable first. Data. Give it name as LV string. First you. Okay. And second data LV string type C. Yeah, type string. Let's give it a string. Okay. So, for example, I want to print SAP ABAP on HANA. Okay. Okay. So simply what we used to do is we have to write concatenate SAP ABAP ABAP HANA into LV string. Okay. So at this LV string, I'll save this. Save. Quickly, it will print my out. Okay. As web application. Here you can see our SAP ABAP on HANA print is print. So look, it's all concatenated this, but look, there's no space between this. So for this again, what we have to do is we have to write separated by space or separated by space. Okay, separated by space. Here, what is this? Save this. I will again type this. I will activate this. Okay, then as multiplication. So it's got printed. But this looks some weird, okay? So let's execute this program. Okay, so here this is my output. So what we can do, okay, if you want to print, second, let me cut this out. Okay, okay. Suppose so this is my output screen. Again, yeah, this is. If I want to give the commas here, what I have to do is I have to add. Okay, if I will check this and then activate. Right click and next. So guys, this is how we can print this using concatenate option. Is this looking good? Here, this is our output and this is my code. Right, this one. Okay. So is this looking good? How many commas I have to write? If I want one more ABAP also in inverted commas, again I have to put it two inverted commas last in the last and in the beginning. So is this looking good? Obviously no. So we can also replace this. What we can do is we can directly relate the LV string, okay, equal to a symbol, and here I will write SAP ABAP HANA. That's all. Okay. By LV string. That's all, guys. That's all. What we have to do is say now save, check, activate. Look, I will run this. Look, guys, same work is doing. Which one is looking good? Obviously, this one is more readable, and also look, this one we can this we can replace from here. Okay, if I will give any space here, see, activate it, run as. Okay, it will automatically take the space. Whatever we are giving inside these bytes, it will automatically take the space. No need to write is separated by space, okay, respected by space. Nothing we have to do. That's all what we have to do. It is clear, guys? Okay. Also, once okay, yeah. So what we can do also is look, what we have declared this string first, and what we can do using a new declaration type is we can also write like this. Let's comment out this. Okay, now we will do it. So, for example, if you want to use only concatenate only, what you can do is concatenate. Same thing right here. SAP web HANA. Okay. Into what we can do right here, we can also declare this over here. LV string. No, that's all. Right? LV string. No. This will also work the same. Okay. Let me give some space. Save, check, and I will activate this. Run as web application. Okay, it will also print the same. No need to use the declare it first and then use it. Okay. Okay, and in this case, what we can do is we can directly write like this: key data LV string equals to SAP ABAP on HANA. Okay, guys, we can also do like this. That's all what we have to do is okay, and we can write here. We'll save, take, and then activate it. Okay, that's a web application. So it will also print the same upon HANA. So this is what the new string expression syntax is there. Okay, here we have completely replaced this concatenate with these pipes. Okay, is it clear, guys? Hope everything is clear till here. Huh? That's all we have to do. Okay, and also it's more readable. Clear, guys? Okay. Now the question comes up: how can we print the? How can we concatenate the variables? Concatenate the variables. How can we concatenate this? Simple, guys. Nothing we do. Look, previously what we used to do is, for example, this is SAP ABAP HANA. Which is this. Okay, this is LV string is having SAP ABAP HANA. Okay, SAP ABAP HANA. What we can do is concatenate. For example, I will write there is LV string. Okay, and what I will do is by CK tutorials into data everywhere still. To write everywhere context. Okay. We will going one second. Okay, this will change and then activate. Right click. Look, SAP ABAP on HANA by ZK tutorials. Okay. Also, we can also replace this using new syntax. Second, I can close this all. Okay. So what we can do is we can directly write here as data and we okay give this and we can write here SAP ABAP or we can do is in curly braces what we can give is our variable name. Okay, what is our variable name? It's LB string. Okay, and what I will do is I will give once again. Okay, LB string. I will give the okay. Okay, I will give this by JK tutorials. Okay, right. The new thing. I will then check it and then do it. Okay, let's give some space here. Create it. Next click and as a bigger application. So you can see it's got printed. Okay, so this is how we can print our once again. This is how we can print the variables using new syntax. Okay, is this clear, guys? So this is the way that you can pass your variables inside this. Easy. Put only curly braces. Okay. This will really improve the quality of code. Also, this will increase the readability of your code. A very powerful expression which is known as string expression, which we have just seen here. Okay. Is this clear, guys? Okay, there are some more ABAP syntax which we'll see in our next session also. Okay, so these are the some top which actually causing a big way whenever you are writing the code into the modern ABAP programming actually. Okay, so it doesn't change a case as such whether you use them or you don't use them. But of course, if you use them, you will have some teenage benefits. Okay, is this clear, guys? So obviously your previous code will definitely work, but these new changes you have to adopt these new things. Okay, is it clear, guys? Okay, hope everything is clear. Okay, so see you in the next session. Thank you so much. Bye bye.